With zipBoard, you can review websites, web apps, e-learning courses, images, videos, and PDF documents. You can share reviews using annotations, markups, and screen recordings, and you can track and report issues. With zipBoard, you can manage your review cycles in order to keep your projects organized. In the Tasks tab on the left side, you can view your assignments in the table view or in the Kanban view. And here I've created phases to assign to different people so they can review at the right time. When you click on the assignment, you can assign it to someone, and that person can then edit the status as they continue on with the project. Having this system means that your work flows well and you meet your deadlines. Companies that use zipBoard see an overall return on investment within 5 months. zipBoard customers also save an average of 30% time on their digital development. Choose zipBoard and sign up now.